normal temperatures through next week. The spotter information statement from North and Central Texas. Limited spotter activation may be requested today. The ultraviolet index forecast for February 14th is 0 or low. You're listening to All Hazards Radio. An activation may be requested today. The ultraviolet index forecast for February 14th is 0 or low. The current time is 11:04 a.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 56, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 11 a.m. DFW Airport, a thunderstorm, 66, dew point 62, relative humidity 87%, wind south at 12.